Hey everyone! In this video I will show you the typing effect in Premiere Pro. Let's start. Import your audio effect. I have downloaded this typing sample from freesound.org. Now add your desired text. Click on the text icon and add your text. You can increase or decrease the text size and customize it according to your needs. Text is not moving. Click on Effects and search Crop. Select it and drag it into your text timeline. Now go to Effects Control. Change the value of write from 0 to 100. Also click on the stopwatch icon to add the keyframe. Drag the timeline bar to some distance, and then change the value from 100 to 0. Second keyframe will added. Now text is dynamic. Increase the distance of the keyframe if you slow down, and decrease the distance if you speed up the effect. Set up as you like. And that is it. Thanks for watching.